I'm here with Prada. She's a little crazy this morning. I just wanted to say Happy New Year and talk about some of my favorite Christmas gifts and see what maybe y'all got for Christmas that was a favorite or unique. I'm always looking for different ideas for next year too. First of all, I've been wanting the Prada Candy Kiss, and this one is a gift set. It came with the actual spray, the moisturizer, and a travel thing. So that was awesome because I travel and I like to have that with me. The other favorite, I don't have it here in this room, but I got a beach waver, and it is a sort of like a waving curling iron, and you just need to put like the very tip of your hair in it, and it automatically rolls it for you. It has an automatic rotation or whatever, and I really love it. I like the beach waves that it gives. You can do 3 different kinds. I've only tried one so far, but that was definitely a good one. It's going to keep me out of having to get my hair blown out all the time at the blow bar. And then this is a big treat. It's the Zoe Report, and it's from Rachel Zoe, and she is a stylist, for those of you who might not know. And she did the box of style, and it's called the Zoe Report. And it's a really cute box. I don't know if you can really make it out. It says "Hello, Gorgeous" in there, and it's filled with goodies. This is the winter box of style, and actually this is Rachel Zoe. Once you see it, you might know her. If you didn't, just by her name. But anyway, it has these earrings in it that I don't have right here, but I can show you that picture. They're really pretty. I wore those for Christmas. And this is a stole that is kind of some things that I wouldn't have necessarily picked out for myself. That's why I love these boxes. But this goes around like that. I'm wearing black, so it's hard to see. But there's a hole here, so this actually goes through and then stays put like that. And it also came with this slinky little clutch purse, and you don't have to use these. These would hide inside of here if you wanted to. And it has just enough room, basically, for my phone and my EpiPen and lip glosses. That's about all I needed. And I used that last night for New Year's Eve, and it worked out really good. I really liked it. And this actually doesn't go in here. This is an eyeliner by Tarte called Sex Kitten. And I haven't tried it yet, but I forgot it was in there. But I'm going to try it. I think it's going to be really easy to use. And then one of my favorite things that came in the box is actually this journal. Or it's not a journal. What do you call it? Agenda. This one is made by Sugar Paper out of Los Angeles. And it's really nice. I'm going to try to show you a little bit of some Post-it notes. I'm planning 2 parties for my husband's birthday in January. So I'm trying to figure out what food I'm going to have at each one. But it has a quote each month. This quote for January is, "Style is a way to say who you are without having to speak." And that's by a quote from Rachel Zoe herself. And it gives you an opportunity to do your to-dos, notes that you need to send, ideas that you have. Like, so I need to do my taxes. My word for 2018 is strength. So I want to do like a strength poster and stuff like that. And just like some things that I know I need to do. I need to schedule some doctor appointments and stuff like that. Learn how to use the scanner that we got. I can print, but I still have yet to learn how to scan. So I have to figure some things out. So just I'm also working on a website, and I keep letting it get away from me. So I wrote that down so I can hopefully keep on track. And so then it also has the month view, and then it also has the week view. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and that's, throughout. And then in the back, it has an area for your birthdays. I don't know if you can really see, but anyway, every month you can write down whoever's birthday it is. And then there's a section for thank you notes that you need to write. And then you can check a box that says thank you note sent. Where is it? Anyway, it's hard to see, but And then there's a little section in the back for notes and stuff like that, and a pocket for different things. Like, and what I have in my pocket is my notes that I took about doing my one word, which is going to be strength. I'm going to need some strength. I've been having a little bit of health issues, so I'm going to have to take care of those, which is going to require strength. I'm trying to improve my golf game, which is going to require strength, and the physical capacity, with some of the challenges I'm facing, requires emotional strength and stuff. So I think strength is a really good word for me all around for the next year, as a focus word. Instead of like a New Year's resolution, I'm just going to be like kind of focusing on strength, different capacities, I guess. But anyway, I hope that y'all had a Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or Kwanzaa or whatever, and Happy Holiday. Let's keep it simple, and have a Happy New Year, and safe and peaceful and prosperous and healthy.